Hi, I'm Kristyna Sullivan. I am a mom of 3, soon to be 4, and I'm also a full-time employee and have been for the last 10 years here at Littleton Regional Healthcare. So I'm going to come in on this coming Friday, actually, for my 4th C-section. They are really accommodating for your spouse, partner, significant other, and so he gets to kind of be part of the entire process as well, which is really important to me. And the staff does a great job of including them and making them feel like it's not just mom.
So this is actually our 4th child. Our oldest is 6, and we have 2 girls in between, and we've had nothing but great experiences at LRH, and we highly recommend it. It's a very intimate setting. We have a team of professional staff that couldn't ask for better top to bottom, and the patient care we get here excels.
When you come in to have your child, the nurses on the floor are all fantastic. They get you prepped, ready. If you have any questions, they're always there to answer it too. Staff is always really great too about getting babies skin to skin, and that to me is really important as not just a mom but also a nurse. I know how important that is. So there are lactation consultants on the OB floor, and they're really great about teaching you early and not getting frustrated. As a new mom, you think breastfeeding is going to be really easy, and it's not, but they're there to help you develop, and they're also there even after discharge if you have questions, concerns. If you see your pediatrics doc and you need additional assistance, they're there to be able to help in that way too.
I'm confident that if anything, everything did go well, that if things weren't going well, I would have nothing but 100% confidence in Dr. Marks and his team's ability to make sure that my wife and our child were safe and healthy.